I was here looking to upgrade some lighting for a customer to LED. Nothing was labeled in the panel, so I pulled the cover to try to find where the wires for this pipe were going to, and right away I noticed this burnt wire here. And wires can burn like that depending on several different factors. This one does not appear to be loose, but if you have a loose connection, it can actually cause arcing in there and cause the wire to burn back and possibly start a fire in the breakers. The same thing. I suspect that this one here could be because it has a ground fault in it, and this main grounding screw bonds your can and your ground to your neutral, and this is only supposed to be on the primary panel, and this is a sub panel. Otherwise, instead of allowing the electricity in case of a fault to come out and go to the ground as it should, it recirculates it and could have caused this. This breaker is 200 amps and it's supposed to protect these service wires coming in from the main disconnect. These wires are severely undersized. They're able to serve 100 amps, they're number 3. They're able to serve 100 amps and they're protected by a 200 amp breaker. This would allow these wires to get so hot they could catch on fire before this breaker even comes close to tripping. So we need to remove this screw. This separates your panel and ground from your neutral. We're going to either need to change this breaker to a 100 amp breaker and make it a 100 amp sub panel, or remove these wires and this undersized pipe to fit 200 amp wire in and re-pull the whole thing. We're going to have to figure out why this caught on fire, or why this started to melt, and which breaker it's going to, and replace it and find the fault. This is the importance of an electrical safety check.